that out.
Sweeter than that.
That's where it goes. Put that in there. Hey,
And
check it out. So then you'll just put a register on the front for the...
Yep.
What's going on to that? 6-jaw true size, true centre vice, whatever it's called.
yeah, 6-jaw
Chuck.
chuck. Gator chuck.
And that's a 6-inch or 12-inch?
8-inch.
8-inch.
This is 12-inch.
12-inch, yeah.
We just said, why don't you get a 12-inch? She said, oh, you might want a 12-inch chuck one day, and so you can just take this 8-inch one off and put the 12-inch one on. Doesn't make sense.
Yeah, fair enough.
Little swing,
Yeah,
extra weight.
lovely. Happy days.
So there it is.
Very happy making.
Definitely.
The search is over, lads. D1-6 Camelot backplate.
So in it now. More Sherline crap.
Ah, yeah. That'll happen. That will happen. I got an email back from the guy saying he's finishing packing up this weekend, so hopefully I have a final, everything ready to go for Monday.
Okay. So he'll need some money by then. They're quite handy. Being shallow.
Yeah,
Anyway.
rock and roll. Alrighty, I'll put that to bed and do some other housework. Dad was kind enough to bring me a sheet of eaves lining, which is what I'll use to repair that hole above the doorway. And, that's the next G'day YouTube, Joby from Oz here. We got a happy camper because he's got not one, two, but 3 flat rate boxes. Now, interestingly enough, we're told these are 20-pound flat rate boxes. On the top it says 1 rate any weight. So I don't know if that's actually the case, but pounds and ounces. What do we see?
10.
Stones.
No, sorry, no, 14.
14
pounds to a stone,
Yeah.
1.5 stone.
14 pounds.
Oh, no, wait, no, that's not right.
20 pounds.
No, that's 20. That's 20 pounds.
20 pounds in that one.
Yeah. It says 19.4, 17.6.
Yeah.
It's
So they've
loaded
weighed
up.
them. They've weighed them.
That one.
Oh. So they're all 20-pound boxes.
Flat rate, 80 bucks.
Flat rate.
$80.
So this has come all the way from the US of A, from the balmy Floridian coast, from my mate Michal, Michael, however his name's spelled. He's done a top job of following this with us. We know that there's another 4 boxes to come.
Customs in Melbourne.
Customs in Melbourne allegedly has them.
They've had it since last Sunday.
So we are not 100% sure what that's actually going to end up being. However, we have some brown paper. That's brown paper number 1. Brown paper number 1. Oh, it's a lump of metal. That's lovely. You got a lump of metal.
That's an upright.
Is that an upright, is it? What's that an upright of, Dad?
A milling machine.
Upright of a milling machine. Hey, what's that?
Base for a milling machine.
Hey, it's a base for a milling machine. Shoot.
Probably be the cross slide.
Now, I do have some lovely large heavy slabs of granite that you can bolt these onto if you chose to. Oh, it looks like another base.
It'll be that way.
Is it?
No, it's another base.
That's what I said, mate. You did say something about 2 bases being 1.
Feels like one of those.
One of those. Like
Put it in the tool.
a vertical slide.
No,
Oh yeah,
it's a whole bunch of
stuff. That looks like an anti-backlash nut.
one. Yes, it is.
Sweet. Can't feel any backlash in it. No backlash in that there nuts. A whole pile of lead screws. What could that possibly be for?
Number one.
That is box number 1. So behind box number 2. Oh, interesting today on the YouTube Facebook Machinists group. Somebody was commenting that they put a set of spring calipers. What are they called? The Sweezy Watsits.
Check length.
No, the distance caliper things. Measuring calipers. With a spring clamp around the top so you can loosen it off with a screw and inside and outside and hermaphrodites and all that sort of stuff.
Right. But what's the story?
What are they called?
I don't know.
Inside calipers. Anyway, he put them in evaporust to clean them. And the spring bits dissolved.
You're kidding.
No. And then I remembered back to when I was doing the work on the Mammoth steam train, we had the same problem. The spring steel clip that holds the rear plate in dissolved. So we lost the spring steel. So there must be something in evaporust that doesn't like spring steel very much. Who the hell knows what though? Hey, that looks like a thing.
It's missing the thing. It'll be somewhere else.
Yeah.
That's also like that.
That looks like the wider version of... Oh no, that's the same version. Yep. And this looks like it's drilled for steppers even.
One of these guys.
Ah yes. Ah yes, ah yes.
Which is strange. The other way up.
Yeah.
Maybe that'd be a bit more logical, wouldn't it?
Sounds good.
And one
One after one of them. Tiny little bearings. They make a nice product, don't they?
Bloody beautiful.
That looks like an upright.
No, that's one of those.
Oh, it's a horizontal. It's a stingy for a gib here, maybe?
That's not fitting there, so that's probably for a different one. That'll be that might be for the smaller one, maybe.
Maybe. Maybe that's screwed all the way in and it needs to be screwed out. It does look to have a witness mark.
It does, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that'd be a clamp.
Yes, that'll be a lock, as I say. There's 2 cross locks.
Fancy. Yeah, there we go. It's like Christmas.
That's an end.
Huh? So a fixture plate. Hey, check that out. A fixture plate. Complete with T-slot nuts.
One of those guys.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Spindle.
Feels nice.
Feels good.
It's a 4400.
Cool. Well done. 4400 series spindle. Complete with the nose and the taper and all that stuff. Ah yes.
Mounting, vertical mounting block.
Base. So of course underneath the headstock and all that, you've got these key slots so you can set them into your 90s and your 40 zeros and your 90s rather.
Model 5000.
Yeah. 5000 is high speed?
Different one.
Different.
No, you can have a high speed pulley on either. I think that's a low speed.
Yeah. This one certainly feels smoother, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Can't feel any lash in it. That's a riser block maybe.
Appears to be. Snap. Oh, that's probably that way.
Oh yeah?
I think
Small and big.
the baby one.
Okay. Well, we don't actually know if this is the right one here now because it could go on either. It's got number 8 on it. One of them. That's only got a single slot. So this might be for mill and this might be for a lathe.
Don't know.
Yeah, anyway, it's definitely got a key there. Hey, check it. Little machine device. Sweet. That's interesting. So, unscrew it, move the dial to the next location and screw it in again.
Oh, right, so it's not a quick release one.
No quick release one, no.
But that's okay.
Doesn't need to be. Does the job.
So,
Whoa. Number 3.
they probably all started out the same shape.
And probably the same colour too.
Modified them and changed it.
Yeah, well, we do know our postal service. They love to play ping pong. It's a really interesting design for
He apparently designed his own.
Okay.
Was producing it, I think. This looks interesting. Right.
That looks heavy.
This looks serious base plates.
Hey.
Serious base
Right.
plates. Two of them.
2 base plates. He did mention something about there being 2 base plates in one of the boxes.
Well,
Sweet.
he got it right, didn't he?
Nice. And yet again, a really nice packing job. That is awesome. So you're going to have to give all these a good polish up this weekend, I reckon. Ready for the museum?
It's a branded base plate.
A which?
Branded base plate.
Branded.
Branded.
It's got a brand on it.
It's got a brand on it.
Where's the brand?
What's that side?
This side? Coming around. Oh, look at that. It's branded. Sherline.
That's a surprise.
Yeah? Why's that? Oh. Shouldn't be a surprise. Are they a similar configuration?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it looks a bit like it. Although this one's got some bigger holes here. Maybe that's just the underneath. Oh yeah, just recesses for cap heads. Nice. Indeed, it does look like 2 proper rubber-mounted base plates. Decent heavy weight there, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, there is. Solid.
Some dowel pins or something for those?
I'm not sure.
Certainly looks like a short base screws, long base. Is that a short base? So this plate looks like it's short from that one.
They sort of mate up.
Well, I reckon that's on that one. And then this must be access from underneath those. Yeah, see the dust marks?
See the one?
Dust marks. Alright, so that's that one. This one stops short to here. So then these would be for capid. Keep it moving forward. Move forward. Yeah. So you need the front one to be in the front bolts. Yep. So then this is recessed so you can get your cap head screws up in for these, your riser blocks.
That's this one, isn't it? This side. Let's put this one on the side.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
One of those for here.
Yeah.
One of those for here.
Yeah.
That could be anywhere.
Could be. Well, it looks like certainly it's a good start. Very good. Any final words?
Yeah. Thank God for Australian customs.
Love it.
They've had it since Sunday. And it's now
Friday.
Friday night.
But they are keeping us safe because, you know, there's bomb parts here. Anything here could kill you.
Bomb parts, drugs, what else?
Yeah.
What else can we bring in?
Hookers, blow,
This is
blackjack. So I wonder if the higher rated series has better bearings or something, or...
Don't know. We can find out, though. We certainly can find
Super
out.
duper. Oh, boss. Happy unboxing.
Yeah, well, hopefully the others will come early next week.
It'll be fun. Do another unboxing then. Thank you for watching. Catch you